Now, I don't know if you knew this, but email marketing is literally one of the fastest and greatest ways to be able to grow your business, especially if you have an online business. Why do you ask? Because it literally helps you to turn complete strangers into raving clients and customers. Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Tamia here. If you've never seen my face before, I would love to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. On my channel, I talk about all things connected to living the intentional lady life so that you can build a life and a dream business that I know that you'll absolutely love. Why? Because of the fact that you built it. Make sure that you hit that cute little bell for updates. Now, I love to absolutely shop, and I am definitely an online shopper. Now, I believe that one of the greatest things about millennials is that we absolutely love, let's say, Amazon. And what I didn't know for the longest amount of time is that all of these different brands that I have grown to love, that I've built relationship with over the years, like Amazon, like Thrive Market, had been utilizing an email marketing game on me, and I absolutely fell for it. Now, you might be sitting there looking at me like, Tamia, what do you mean? What exactly are you talking about? All of the brands that you absolutely love, that have absolutely been able to captivate you and capture your heart, utilize email marketing. Now, if you are an aspiring or upcoming entrepreneur that has an online business, even if you have a brick and mortar, you have to make sure that you know all the things as it relates to email marketing. So in today's training video, we're going to be talking about email marketing 101. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, new business owners oftentimes literally drag their feet when it comes to getting the concept of what email marketing is exactly. And I think that this happens because of the fact that they just do not get it, right? What exactly is email marketing? Now, email marketing is the use of emails to be able to promote your products and services while also helping you to be able to develop relationship with your potential customers or clients. Now, this is usually done on a particular type of software called a CRM system, which simply stands for Customer Relationship Management. Now, you want to make sure that you are absolutely managing your relationships so that you can go ahead and get people to buy your goods, your services, your products. Now, this is essentially usually done directly through email marketing, which is obviously electronic, instead of having you to have to run to the post office week after week to make sure that you are connecting to your clients as a small business owner. Now, when it comes to email marketing, it usually includes weekly newsletters with updates that talk about your particular company or business, and it also connects people to your promotions and your sales or whatever exclusive deals that you literally have that you want to get to your subscribers. Now, one of the best things about email marketing that I have found is that it allows for businesses to be able to interact once again with their customers and clients, but it definitely helps you to be able to nurture what is going to be some of your greatest and most intimate relationships through this concept. Now, at worst, this kind of whole email marketing thing can literally drive customers away and clients away if you are not careful, especially if you send bad, persistently annoying, spammy emails to your customers and clients. So it's definitely a way that you have to learn how to put together the exact and needed copy so that your potential clients and customers will absolutely love opening up your emails. Now, if you're anything like me, the what and the why is fine, but you definitely want to dive into the how. Don't worry, I got you covered. So when it comes to how do you go ahead and set up doing email marketing for your business, now that you know that it is something that is super essential. Now, email marketing once again works on a CRM platform of your choice. I'll make sure that in the description box down below I mention a few of my faves, because God knows over time I have definitely dibbled and dabbled in a couple until I found the one that definitely worked for me and my clients and customers. Now, email marketing works through helping you to be able to set up and track all of the different email marketing campaigns and automations and just anything that you need to put together in an email campaign, which will be able to help you to connect once again to your clients and customers. Now, this whole concept is usually really accessible to small business owners so that they can definitely connect to the people that they need to connect to be able to help to make the sales that they want to make within their businesses. Now, some people really miss out on opportunity to be able to build their email list. They miss out on the fact that they could really add an opt-in form to their particular website in an amazing pop-up that would allow for different people to be able to sign up for their weekly newsletter. This is definitely an option. And so, for instance, you could go ahead and attach a free piece of content that you probably already have laying around, which may be in the form of a workbook or either a checklist, and then you'll go ahead and funnel people through to your email campaign, or let's say the automated campaign that you have set up, so that you can then consistently make sure that you are emailing your raving fans in your CRM system so that you can continue to grow your audience. Now, it's important that you know that you can also create funnels in terms of your social media, really getting people to connect to you through whatever platforms you are on a consistent basis. And another way you're able to build out funnels so that you can get people on your email list and begin to build that relationship is definitely through different ad campaigns. Let's say if you're using Instagram ads or Facebook ads or even Google ads. These are definitely all of the different ways that people are able to go ahead and get people to funnel into the exact things that they want to have them buy, that they know that they're gonna love. Now, I understand how important it is for you to make sure that something that you might be thinking that you want to go ahead and dive in absolutely works. So there is actually one survey found that says that 59% of respondents or subscribers were influenced by email when it came to making their purchasing decision. And I believe that this happened because of the fact that whoever it was that they were tuned into, that was a particular brand or an online business, let's say, went ahead and make sure that they did their due diligence as it relates to building relationship with their client base. There was also a study of more than 1 billion shopping sessions in 2019 that found that email marketing has a conversion rate of 2.3% compared to 1% on social media. Now, while there are amazing business builders that are building their business because of social media or through social media in terms of sales, it is super important to make sure that there is an amazing connection that can be made through email marketing that is, in some instances, even more powerful than just making sure that you create funnels on social media alone. Now, some gurus in the online space definitely believe that email marketing should definitely walk hand in hand or go hand in hand with social media. So some people suggest that you should go ahead and add a like or a share button to your email marketing campaigns, which definitely gives an additional way for customers to be able to connect with your brand on social media. So if you've been solely just focusing on building your social media alone, and let's say you're not seeing any kind of leverage where that's concerned, then go ahead and try to set up your email marketing game so that then you can funnel people that you are building relationship with over to your social media. Now, another thing that you'll find that a lot of people do in the email marketing space is that they make sure that they are building their social proof. So what you can do is, once you go ahead and you pick the CRM system or platform that you want to be on, you can go ahead and begin to build up your testimonials or your social proof so that people will learn to trust you. They'll see that your systems and your strategies are definitely working for other people, and they'll absolutely want to work with you. So you can take different snippets of positive reviews from your social media platforms, and those particular people that follow you, include that social proof within your emails. And what will happen is that this will drive people to make sure that they are following you on social media as you build relationship on those platforms as well. And really vice versa. Even if you put testimonials on your social media websites, then most oftentimes people will be like, wait a minute, what does this lady have going on? And then they'll want to go ahead and opt into your newsletter. Now, as I mentioned to you before, there are so many creative ways that you'll have the opportunity to be able to begin to build up your email list with regards to you making sure that you're doing the necessary email marketing as an online business builder. I'm letting you know that if you are doing nothing else in your business, you need to make sure that you are building your list. Your list are filled with potential clients and customers that you don't have to run after. But all you have to do is make sure that you are building relationship every single week or a couple of times a week with these particular people that, remember, opted into your freebie or your free workbook or the opt-in that you build on your website or your profile opt-in because of the fact that there was something about you that they really felt intrigued about, or something about your product or service. Now, do me a favor, in the comments down below, if you have any questions as it relates to the whole email marketing thing, and if you still feel kind of like lost and in the dark, go ahead and post your question down below and I'll definitely make sure that I answer it. Now, I kind of wanted to give you a snapshot because I know that if you are just starting in terms of having an online business, certain kind of language, as I say most times in my videos, might be a little bit confusing. So as it relates to email marketing, or let's say a particular funnel that you can definitely set up in the most simple way, this can definitely be done with freebies. Now, if you want to definitely learn how to do that, I would love for you to go ahead and make sure that you connected to me, and I'll be happy to set up a one-to-one to definitely get you started on your journey of making sure that you have all things as it relates to email marketing 101, and to also make sure that you are building your client base as you definitely make sure that your business is growing and thriving. Now, there's one more thing that I absolutely have to let you know, and that is I totally, absolutely believe in you. Do me a favor, make sure you hit that subscribe button, share this with a lady in your tribe. I'll see you again here soon. Ciao.